Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to create the account of Temu app. Before that you have to download the Temu app from the Play Store or App Store. Simply search for Temu and click the get or install button so you can download that application on a mobile device. After that you can create the account. So in this video I will guide you step by step process to create that Temu app account. So let's get started to the video. First of all, open your Temu application on a mobile device. Now you can see at the down one option is there, sign in, tap on that. Now by which you want to create your account, by the help of Google or Facebook, with the help of email or whatever. I will suggest you have to go with the email. So enter your email ID here. After giving your email ID, then tap on continue. Now give your password here. Now you can see after giving your password, tap on register. If you want to save this your password, then it's okay, otherwise let it be. Then it's asking for want to receive an amazing offer by Temu marketing SMS. Then confirm your phone number. If you don't want, you can cancel it. I don't want. So in this way you can create the account of that Temu app. So please, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching.